I'm Daniella.
And I'm Bryan, and we live in a 3D printed home.
Around the latter part of last year, we were in the hunt for a home, and we looked at a lot of options in this area, and we stumbled upon this 3D printed neighborhood in Georgetown.
As an engineer myself, I was very interested into the technology, how Icon developed the 3D printed machine. So we came and we saw the model homes, and it was really beautiful. Then we went to the Lennar representative, and we asked them questions, and we went on and started the process of buying the house. The biggest deciding factor was the efficiency of the home, which really, I loved it. Cheap electricity bills. I mean, you have solar panels on the roof as well, which helps a lot. And it keeps the house a lot cooler during the day when it's the hot Texas heat here.
Since we are a young couple, we're going to be starting our family soon, and it's a place where our children can really feel safe and where they can be healthy. At our previous apartment, we did have an issue with mold and incompetent management. It was not a good experience. The whole home buying process can be very, very stressful, but having people from Icon and Lennar kind of support you along the way has really made that experience very seamless. Even if we have any questions about the wall system or the home itself, someone from Lennar or Icon, they're always there to help us answer our questions. We've had immense and incredible support throughout the whole journey, and just the community itself is really awesome. We love our neighbors, we love talking with them, and the community feel here really makes it an even better experience.